Hey, what's up my dolls? I am excited to do a unboxing of the JW Pei Bag. So let's get into it.
Why you make it so complicated? One drink and we concentrating. I know you want
What's up? I haven't did a unboxing in a while, but I got a new bag. As y'all see, I know y'all probably have heard of JW Pei. So I believe this is a husband and wife duo. They designed these bags. I have been seeing these bags a lot on Amazon or their actual website. So just off the rip, if you do like this bag and you want to shop it, I will link the link to this bag on my like to know. You can shop it through there, y'all, because your girl earned commission. So if you want to help me out and support me, that will be fine. But let's get into the unboxing, y'all. We know fall coming, my favorite season. I'm very excited, so I wanted to get a new bag. I seen this bag and I was like, I gotta have it. I do like the packaging. The box kind of remind me of a shoebox almost, but you know, it's the thought that counts. It comes with a little dust bag, so that's cute. We all need a dust bag. Okay, it comes wrapped pretty good. Oh my god, look at her, look at her. So this is, what's the name of this bag? Lord have mercy. This is the tassel suede shoulder bag, y'all. Let's get into the details. Let's take this off. Y'all might have to take this off camera. Okay, let me take off the paper and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the bag. Okay, y'all, I got all the paper off. So this is the tassel suede shoulder bag, I believe. Let me make sure. Yes, so the tassel suede shoulder bag. This bag is so cute. Tell me it's not cute. So it has like that brass gold hardware, you can see, and then you can adjust the strap so you can make this shorter or longer. It also has the logo on the side, on both sides actually. I thought this was really cute. This is going to be a fun bag for the fall. I love a good suede bag, and it's a nice little roomy bag. So you can see it has a inside pocket right here, and it also has a little zipper right here. This bag is super freaking cute. It retailed for $109, so very affordable for my girls who like to buy luxury bags on a budget. And you can, how cute, you can rock it like this, cross it over. You can make it longer too, you know, if you want it to hang a little longer. Then shoulder bag as well. This bag is really cute, and I think would be a great statement piece for the fall. It kind of reminds me of a heart, almost like a shape of a heart. But I really like this, and I'm happy with my purchase. I really love a good statement piece, and I think this bag is gonna pop off for the fall, y'all. So what y'all think? Oh, and this part, y'all, is snaps. It's zip right here, and then it's snap right here. And it got, you know, the little gold stud details. So, yeah, y'all, this bag is great. It's really not much to say about it, but grab you one if you are interested. They did come in other colors. I think, for sure, I know it's like a cream and a black, but I'm not sure if they're suede or not. I think they might be leather, but this baby, this is about to be my go-to fall bag. I gotta get some really cute outfits for this. Yes, this is so cute, y'all. my god. Okay, really, I don't have much to say. I am very, very happy with my purchase. Like I said, very affordable. This is going to be a great fall statement piece. So I will put the link below. Once again, it will be on my like to know if you want to purchase this. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video.